Hi, I'm Mick Sadler and today we're going to do product photography indoors. Now don't worry if you haven't got a macro lens, just getting some automatic extension rings will do. They fit between your lens and your camera and get you closer and should get you close enough. Okay, we've got a little setup here and we've got some coloured food dye. Got a little plastic pot that's transparent at the bottom. We've got a straw, we'll come to that in a minute. And we've got an iPad. You can use your phone. We're using an app called Screen Light, which will light up the whole screen on an iPad or your phone and push the light so you have a thin layer of the food colouring and it will shine through and you can take your picture. And set your camera on aperture priority, set your aperture. What that means is the camera will then decide on what exposure is needed. And if it's too dark or too light, you can use your exposure compensation. Now perhaps you're wondering what the straw's for. But with all this, we're going to use some washing up liquid. We're going to add washing up liquid to the mix. We're going to use this to blow some bubbles, and also if there's any big bubbles to pop the bubbles and move them about. But the straw is an integral part of this setup. We've got the camera and we got a setup to get the camera above and pointing down on the subject and get it square to the subject, which is quite important to do. So rig something up like we've got, or some tripods do it, and you can even have a tripod where you can reverse the center column and hang your camera from the bottom, so you can use that as to get right over your subject. So have some fun with this. Mix yellow with blue, yellow with red, red with blue. What's that going to give you? A mauve colour. So you can try any sort of subject really, as long as it's translucent with this sort of setup. So you can use a bit of oil as well. So you know, the list is endless. So have some fun with this, and you can mix colours. You can do what you want. You can use different materials. As long as they're translucent, this setup will work. So experiment, you can put a bit of oil with it, you can do all sorts of things. Different colours, so really sort of have fun with it, enjoy yourself. You're in a setup that's not going to move. You can change the way you photograph things. Does it have to be in focus? Not necessarily. Use your creative skills in a way that really gives you something different. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and if you want to be informed of our videos, please hit the bell, and that will send you a message every time we put up a video. So thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.